Good morning, third class children. We are doing divisions chapter, children. Now for that workbook is completed. Now today let us do activity book, page number 38, 39, 40, children. Open your activity books, children. Open page number 38. Page number 38, division. Solve the following. So here number 5 is given and outer some numbers are given. In the third circle they are given some symbols, children. By using those symbols and these numbers you have to calculate them. Okay, look here. 6 minus how much is equal to 5? 6 minus how much is equal to 5, children? Take 6 fingers, cut off one finger, how much? 5. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, 5 plus how much is 0? Both are 5s. If you add 0 here, then you will get the same number. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus how much is 5? 2 after 3, 4, 5. So how much you want to add here? 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, 1 plus how much is 5? 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we add 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Next one. Once look here, children. These two symbols are not plus, children. These two are into. So these red color symbols are intos. How much into 5 is 5? 1 into 5, 5. Next, how much into 1, 5? 5 into 1, 5. Next, 3 plus how much is 5? 3 plus 2. Next, 5 plus how much is 5? 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Next, 1 plus how much is 5? 4. 8 minus how much is 5? Take 8 fingers, cut off 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 5. So, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, 4 plus how much is 5? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 9 minus how much is 5? 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 10 divided by how much is 5? 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. If you divide 10 with 2, then you will get 5. Okay. Next one. 100 minus how much is 30? 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. 120 divided by how much is 30? Look, 120 divide with 4, children. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Write it down, 0. 4 zeros are 0. So here 120 divided by 4 is equal to 30. 150 minus how much is 30? 150 minus 120 is equal to 30. 10 plus how much is 30? 20. If you subtract 10 from 30, then you will get this answer. Next, this red color symbol is into, children. How much into 2 is 30? 15 2s are 30, na? So 15 into 2, 30. Next, how much plus 23 is 30? So, subtract 23 from 30. 10 minus 3. 0 minus 3 not possible. Get borrow. 3 becomes 2. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 2 minus 2 0. So, what is the answer? 7. 7 plus 23 is equal to 30. 200 minus how much is 30? 200 minus 30? 170. So 200 minus 170 is equal to 30. 16 plus how much is 30? Again here also subtract 16 from 30. 30 minus 16. 0 minus 6 not possible. Get borrow. 3 becomes 2. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 4. 2 minus 1 1. 14. So 14 plus 16 is 30. Next this symbol also into children. 5 into how much is 30? 5 6 are 30. 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. 60 minus 30, 30. 30 divided by how much is 30? 30 divided by 1 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 1 is equal to 30. Now let us see the divisions. Simple divisions, children. 56 divided by 8. In 8 table, 56 how many times? 8 sevens are 56. So write 7. 72 divided by 9. In 9 table, 72 how many times? 9 8s are 72. 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. In 3 table 15. 5 times. 3 5s are 15. 20 divided by 2. 2 10s are 20. So 10 is the answer. If you know tables very well, then only you will do these divisions very easily, children. 24 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. 42 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 40 divided by 5. 5 8s are 40. 27 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. 60 divided by 10. 10 6s are 60. These are very easy. If you know tables very well, these are also very simple tables. Up to 10 only they are given. 2 to 10 tables only they are given, children. Okay. Next, word problems. These are look like word problems. 75 guavas have to be distributed into 5 baskets. How many baskets do you need? So here total number of guavas how many? 75. This is the dividend. And how many baskets of guavas are distributed? 5 baskets. So 5 is the divisor here. So you have to find out the baskets do you need. How many baskets do you need? Okay, divide. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 how much? 2. Write it down. 5. 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25, 0. So here the question is some confusing, like children. 75 guavas have to be distributed into 5 baskets. Now here they want to ask how many number of guavas in each basket. I think they given wrong. So here given 5 baskets and also asking baskets, but this is not correct. So each basket have 15 guavas. Okay. Next one. Divide 126 basketball players into 6 teams. So what are the number of players here? 126. Into 6 teams. You have to group like in 6 teams. So how many number of people in each team they are asking here. So 6. 1 divided by 6 not possible. So take 2 digit number. 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 how much? 0. There is ones place digit. Write it down, that one also. 6. 6 in 6 table. 1 time. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So here 21 is the answer. If we make them into 6 teams. There are 21 players in each team. Okay. Okay, children. Solve the following divisions and fill in the details. 179 divided by 5. 17 divided by 5. 3 times. 17 is not exactly divisible. So 5 3s are 15. 17 minus 15 how much? 2. Now write it down the next place digit 9. 29. 29 divided by 5. So 29 is not exactly divisible. 5 5s are 25. 29 minus 25, 4. Here 4 is the remainder. 179 is the dividend. 35 is the quotient. 5 is the division. So write dividend 179. Divisor 5. Quotient 35. Remainder 4. Next one. 148 divided by 8. 14 divided by 8. 1 time. 8 ones are 8. Now 14 minus 8 how much? 6. 6 divided by 8 not possible. So write it down 8. 68. 8 8s are 64. 68 is not exactly divisible. 8 8s are 64. 68 minus 64, 4. So 4 is the remainder. 148 is the dividend. 8 is the divisor. 18 is the quotient. Okay, next one. 504 divided by 12. 2 digit number 50. In 12 table, not exactly divisible. Then error number is 48. 12 fours are 48. 50 minus 48, 2. 2 divided by 12 not possible. So write it down 4. 24. 12 twos are 24. 24 minus 24, 0. Here 0 is the remainder. 42 is the quotient. 12 is the divisor. 504 is the dividend. Next one. 891 divided by 11. 89. Take 2 digit number 89. 11 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. 89 minus 88, 1. There is another place digit 1. 1 1 11. 11 in 11 table 1 time. 11 ones are 11. 11 minus 11, 0. In this sum also 0 is the remainder. 81 is the quotient. 11 is the divisor. 891 is the dividend. Next, write division sentences for the following. Write division sentences for the following. So here there are 2 groups and each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of buses. So total how many buses, children? Here 12 buses. Now 12 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 6. So we can write like this, or we can write like 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Like this also. Okay. Here are total 12 buses. There are 2 groups. Now find out the number of buses in each group. 6. Or here are 12 buses. There are 6 number of buses in each group. How many groups we can make? 2 groups. Next one. Here each group has 4 books. There are 3 groups. So write 12 books, 3 groups. So how many number of books in each group? 4. Or you can write 12 divided by 4. There are total in 12 books. Each group having 4. Now find out the number of groups. 3. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups, 5 ice creams in 4 groups, means total 20. So there are 5 in each group. So how many groups we can form? 4 groups, or 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. This is also correct. Next, 36 balls. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 groups. 6, 6 are 36. 36 balls, and here 6 groups. 36 divided by 6. 6 balls in each group. So the next sentence also is the same, children. 36 balls and 6 balls in each group. How many groups can form? 6. Now come to the next page, last page. Write multiplication sentences and division sentences for the following arrangements. One is done for you. So look here, children. 6 into 5, 30. How can they write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups are there. So 6 into 5, 30. Or you can count like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas, and our 6 groups are there. So 5 into 6, 30. And division also same. 30 divided by, there are 6 bananas. How many groups? 5 groups. Or 30 bananas, you can make 5 bananas in each group. So how many groups can make? 6. So like this, you will also write the remaining 4. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dice. 9 dice into how many groups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 9 into 4, 36. Or count like column wise also. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 dice are there, and how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The reverse of the first one. 4 nines are 36. Now here also you can divide the total number with 4, then you will get 9. Or you can divide 36 with 9, you will get 4. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers are there in one row. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So 8 6 are 48. Or count like column wise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers are there, and how many columns are there? 8 columns. 6 8s are 48. And total number 48 will divide with 6, then you will get 8. Or you can divide 48 with 8, then you will get 6. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pizzas are there in one row. Like there are 4 rows. 5 into 4, 20. Or 4 into 5. Column wise. 4 pizzas are there in one column, and there are like 5 columns. 4 5s are 20. So you will divide 20 with 5, then you will get 4. Or you will divide 20 with 4, then you will get 5. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows are there. 6 7s are 42. Or 7 chocolates are there in one column, like the same 6 columns are there. 7 6 are also 42. So you will divide 42 with 7, then you will get 6. Or 42 with 6, then you will get 7. Okay. Now page number 40 also completed, children. Activity book is completed for the chapter division and volume 1 is also completed, children.